Assalamualaikum friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Now, today I'm going to do question 11 of 10.3b, grade 9, Igcse extended maths from 6th edition. I am doing question number 11 from 10.3b. Question is related to bearing. Let's start with the question. Town Y is 9 kilometer due north to town Z. So first you have to make the north of town Z, because you know that in bearings we are dealing with the angles that are related to the north of some point. So let's make Z first, and town Y is somewhere to the north of point Z. So it is 9 kilometers away. So this is point Z, town Z, and this is town Y, and the distance between them is 9 kilometers. Now town X is 8 kilometers away from town Y. Now from town Y I have to make town X, which is almost 8 kilometers away. Just I'm taking rough measurements, not the exact ones. After that, 5 kilometers from Z, and somewhere to the west of the line YZ. So the Z's north is this, south is this, east is this, and west is this. So X lie on somewhere on the west of Z. So the distance between Z and X is 5 kilometers. I have to make it like this. Yeah, this is point Z, sorry, X. Now I have to give some sides name, that is the opposite to angle Z is side Z, the opposite to angle X is side X, and the opposite to angle Y is side Y. We have to find Y angle Y Z X. That means we have to find angle Z of this triangle. So I am using cosine rule, as I know that when three sides are given, none of the angle is given, then I have to use the cosine rule. Cos Z is equals to x square plus y square minus z square over 2 times of x and y. Now I'm going to put the values. Cos z is equals to x is 9 square plus y is 5 minus 8 square, bracket 2 divided by 2 times 9 times 5. This is the format for when we have to find the angle from the cosine rule. Cos z is 0.4667, and then z is equals to cos inverse 0.4667, that is equals to 62 degrees. After that, we have done with part A. After that, during an earthquake, the town X moves due south until it is due west of Z. Find how far is the distance moved. Now, during an earthquake, the town X moves towards the south until it gets the west of Z. So, if I extend the west of Z, it is looking like this. And if I extend or if I move the town X, it will give us a right triangle. Now, if I give a name of A, I will get a new triangle, that is triangle AZY. x. So we have to find this distance, ax. Ax we have to find. So the story is the distance yx, we know that is 8 kilometers, and we have to find the distance ay. After that we subtract xy from ay. So if you can, I can write it ax is equals to ay minus xy. For finding ay, for finding this angle, I can use sine rule or cosine rule as my own perspective. It's my own choice. So that sine y over small y and sine z, because angle z I already calculated from cosine rule. So sine z over z. Sine y is equals to y sine z over z. Now I'm going to put the values in this formula. Sine y 5 sine 62 degrees over 8. Sine y 33.5, I get the angle y. 5 degrees. Now by using this angle 33.5, I can apply trigonometric ratio for finding the side of AY. So I can write cos 33.5, as you know that if I write the formula upside, cos theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos 33.5 is equals to 9 by AY. So it will be AY equals 9 by cos 33.5, 9. Now use this equation as I told you earlier. Ax distance we have to find, that is 10.79 is the value for AY, and minus xy is 8. So 10.79 minus 8 is 2.79 kilometers. I hope you get the concept. Thank you so much.